Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build and place a contact device in Icarus. Now if you are wondering what the contact device is, and take a look on the far left of my screen, there is a quest called Welcome to Olympus where I have to build and place down a contact device. If you're wondering where that is, over on your tab, go over to the tech tree and go over to the tier 2. And you can find the contact device right here, just about already at the start. To make a contact device, you need 10 pieces of wood, 8 pieces of rope, and 15 pieces of iron ingots. Now for rope, it's pretty easy, you only really need fiber to make them, but for iron ingots, I'm going to show you a place where you can find some. Now over here on the L2 grid, just a little bit over it, there's going to be a cave here that's filled with iron ore that you can harvest. Just try to make the trek all the way over here and you should be able to find some. Right now, in my base along with my friend, already have a good abundance of iron ore. Now I'm just going to craft the contact device right now. And we go over to the crafting bench. Alright, now that I have all the materials, I can now make the contact device. Let me just craft this. Give it a good few seconds. And then place it down somewhere in my base. And there you go.
Great work.
And that's about it on how to build and place down a contact device in Icarus.